Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a look at a new pair of shoes. So first of all, I do want to say my bulldog Rocky is just behind me. So if you hear any noises, that is him. People do sometimes ask what that is, and he's always in the room with me. Now, this pair of shoes was very, very unexpected. If you are in, I want to say Sydney, but I don't know if this is an Australia-wide thing. But particularly if you're in Sydney and you're near an in-sport store, they are having some amazing sales at the moment. So we randomly went into the store last night, saw this pair of shoes, and I was like, they look like UltraBoosts. What is a pureboost shoe? So I asked the guy at the register. He quickly went through what the differences are, which didn't seem like a lot, and I tried them on, fell in love, and here we go. We have a new pair of shoes. So I'm going to show you the shoe first. So this obviously is the Adidas pureboost. Now I do want to say, if you look back on my previous videos, I am an UltraBoost die-hard fan. To be honest, that is the only shoe that I wear, and the only shoe I will probably only ever own, because they're just, in my opinion, perfection. I love them so much, and there will be another UltraBoost unboxing / video very, very soon, so keep a lookout for that. But yeah, this is called the pureboost 23. Now they are in the, I don't know when it comes to like colors and all of that. So definitely, if that helps you, if you like the look of these shoes, that's what they're called. So I do want to say these were usually $200. The store was having 50% off. So $100, I was like, yes please. So they came in two different colors. They had this, which the guy said was pink, I don't know, and a yellow. So I really liked the look of this one. Now, this is a up close look on them. Now, I do want to say they look exactly the same. I do have another pair of UltraBoost downstairs, but I can't be bothered getting them. So they look exactly the same. They do say pureboost here, just for reference, but they felt the same. I don't love this like tag tongue thing here, but that is fine. Now I've tried them on in my house. I haven't worn them out. That's the look of the sole. Actually, now it's a completely different type of UltraBoost, but I do have another one here, so I can show you the sole of this one. This I have worn once. So this is this version of UltraBoost, like the really thick sole. I think they're called Light Boost or something. But I guess just for reference, like so similar. Obviously this one has more of a chunky sole, and this is the difference on the sole. So actually, really, it's not that much of a difference when you look at it like that. So this UltraBoost has the continental sole, where this one does not. I do want to specifically read you the differences, just in case you are wondering, like I was and wasn't sure. So this is from a website, yourkicks.com, just for reference. That's my little bulldog. So it does say the main difference is the quality. The Adidas UltraBoost is the premium version of the pureboost. Now, as I said, it does have the different rubber, the continental rubber on the UltraBoost. And also the quality of the fabrics, the quality of the stability and the support is also different. Apparently the technology which is in them, so it says like the boost technology, apparently the boost sole in the UltraBoost is a higher quality than the pureboost. saying that, it does look very similar to me. The fit and feel. Now, I would say the fit and feel is quite similar. I do agree that there's not as much support around your foot. I can definitely feel that, but they are very, very similar. So I would say if you do see PureBoost around, definitely check them out. I'm just seeing price. Obviously, there is a big price difference. But yeah, I can link this article down below if you do want to read in specifics the details. But I thought for $100, I would definitely give them a go. Now, I am currently in a different pair of UltraBoost, so I'm not wearing these ones specifically yet. But I just thought for $100, I should grab them because I always go through shoes and I'm always going to go for a neutral colored shoe. Like, this is never going to be out of my style range. So I thought I'll grab these. But let me know your thoughts. If you have tried the PureBoost shoes, let me know your thoughts if you've tried them versus UltraBoost. I would love to hear from you. But just wearing them quickly around the house and in the shops, I was super, super impressed, and I am very excited to have picked these up. So thank you guys so, so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And as always, I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.